In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a business marketing email in less than 30 seconds. So right now I'm in the Chris AI dashboard, and I'm going to scroll down to the email generator tool. And our Hyperdrive pre-fills have already filled out these 3 fields for us. And we click Generate Now. And the tool will now output 4 different emails that we can use, we can modify and edit based on the content that's in here. So I use my buddy Tom Davis as an example. He's a photographer and they're currently selling Christmas photo sessions with a real looking Santa Claus. So let's review the 4 emails that this tool has generated and see if any of them would fit our needs. Subject: Santa photo sessions coming this fall. Hi, first name. I want to let you know that we are offering a fun festive photo session that will make memories for you and your family. Santa arrives to your home and we capture your family in a unique photo session that includes a visit from the North Pole's jolly old elf. We'll capture your family in a fun, playful environment. You'll have a chance to choose a personalized photo from our catalog, and we'll have a few props so you can add special details like a vintage photo album or a reindeer. Don't delay, call us today at 555-555-1234 to book your session. Best wishes, the Tom Davis photography team. That email is basically ready to go as it is. Sometimes you have to edit and modify some things, maybe remove some details if the AI didn't quite understand what you were asking for, but there you have it. That was probably way less than 30 seconds to generate, and you have other emails that were also generated as well. That's the power of Chris AI. If you don't have an account, go to chrisai.com to sign up now. Take care.